estimate the minimum size skillet or pan needed to use the pancake ring pictured. Now the pancake ring that's over here says that the circles are 3.5 inches in diameter. So if I've got to go 3.5, 3.5 to get all the way across, I'm looking at about 7 inches, and then 3.5, 3.5 in the other direction, also looking at 7 inches square. So it would be about 7 inches wide and about 7 inches tall, and it would need to be on a square pan. Now you could have it on a larger pan, but that would be the minimum. So 7 inches by 7 inches square. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the edge of the circle. So circumference is a lot like perimeter. Some students measure the diameter and the circumference of several circular objects. The chart shown represents 5 circular objects. So they had an object with an 11 centimeter diameter and a 34 centimeter circumference. Calculate the ratio of the circumference to the diameter. So that would be circumference on top, 34 over the diameter 11. We'd get approximately 3.09, and I can put in the repeating bar. It was 0909 repeating. Next one has a 1 inch diameter, 3.5 centimeter circumference. So we would put the circumference on top, 3.5 over 1, or just 3.5. Next one, 26.5 over 8.5. That's going to be approximately 3.12. 14 centimeter diameter, 44 centimeter circumference, 44 over 14, approximately 3.14. And the last one would be 14 over 4.5, or approximately 3.1, and if I use the repeating bar, I could use the equal sign, 3.1 repeating. So if we look at all these numbers, they're all just a little higher than 3. So we can say the circumference to the diameter ratio is approximately 3. Circumference appears to be about 3 times the diameter. So that would be good for estimating, or a rule of thumb. Look at question number 5. This would be a rule of thumb for circumference. Write an equation for the rule of thumb. Well, it's an equation, but since we're approximating, we're saying, oh, these are around 3, we could say that their circumference is approximately 3 times the diameter.